Today I will show you how to calculate 65 square minus 35 square. If you calculate this, so traditional way, if 65 into 65, then minus 35 into 35, then you calculate the number, you calculate the value. This is the much longer, but this is shorter. How to calculate easily? If you use algebraic method, a square minus b square means you know a plus b into a minus b. So if you, this is the a square, this is the b square, and so 65 plus 35, this, and 65 minus 35, this, so you plus this, so 100, and this minus this, so 30. So answer is, this is more easy. From this is much longer, this is the much shorter. So thank you watching the video, and subscribe now, more video, more formula. Thank you.